Welcome back to MotorVibes. Today, we're diving into the top 6 best V-twin motorcycles for 2024. So, let's rev up and get started. Number 6. Indian Scout Rogue. The Indian Scout Rogue is a performance-oriented cruiser that blends classic American styling with modern engineering. This bike is designed to appeal to riders seeking a more aggressive and sporty cruiser experience. Powering the Scout Rogue is a 1,133cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This power plant is a gem, producing an impressive 100 horsepower at 8,100 revolutions per minute and 72 of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute. The engine's character is smooth yet punchy, providing strong acceleration and a satisfying exhaust note. The 6-speed transmission offers precise shifts and a good spread of ratios, allowing for both relaxed cruising and spirited riding. The belt final drive system provides smooth power delivery and requires less maintenance than a traditional chain. Handling is a strong point for the Scout Rogue. Despite its cruiser styling, it offers surprisingly agile performance. The bike weighs in at 545 pounds, which is relatively light for its class. The low seat height of 25.6 inches provides good stability and makes the bike accessible to a wide range of riders. The suspension setup consists of 41mm front forks with 4.7 inches of travel and rear shocks with 3 inches of travel. While not adjustable, the suspension is well tuned for a balance of comfort and performance. Braking performance is strong, with a single 298mm rotor and 2-piston caliper up front, and a 298mm rotor with a single-piston caliper at the rear. ABS is available as an option, enhancing safety in challenging conditions. Fuel efficiency is decent for a performance cruiser, with an estimated 54 mpg. The 3.3-gallon fuel tank provides a moderate range, suitable for most riding scenarios. Key features include a mini ape handlebar, sport-style seat, and blacked-out finishes. The bike also comes with an LED headlight and a USB charging port for added convenience. The Indian Scout Rogue is priced at $11,999, positioning it as a premium offering in the mid-size cruiser segment. It's an excellent choice for riders who want the classic American cruiser look with a sporty edge and modern performance. Number 5. Suzuki Boulevard M109R. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R is a power cruiser that combines muscular styling with impressive performance. This bike is designed for riders who want a commanding presence on the road and the power to back it up. At the core of the M109R is a massive 1,783cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This power plant is a true performer, producing approximately 128 horsepower at 6,200 revolutions per minute and 118 of torque at 3,200 revolutions per minute. The engine's character is defined by its massive low-end torque, providing effortless acceleration from any speed. The 5-speed transmission is robust and well matched to the engine's power delivery. Shifts are smooth and precise, and the ratios are well spaced for both cruising and more aggressive riding. The shaft final drive system ensures smooth power delivery and low maintenance. Despite its size and weight, 764 wet, the M109R handles surprisingly well. The inverted front forks and link-type rear suspension provide a good balance of comfort and control. The bike's low center of gravity helps with low-speed maneuverability, while the wide 240mm rear tire provides excellent stability at higher speeds. Braking performance is impressive, with dual 310mm front discs and a single 275mm rear disc, all equipped with ABS. This setup provides strong, confident stopping power, which is essential given the bike's weight and performance potential. Fuel efficiency is not the M109R's strong suit, with an estimated 36 mpg. However, the 5.2-gallon fuel tank provides a decent range for touring. Key features include a digital instrumentation panel, LED taillight, and a comfortable, well-padded seat. The bike's styling is a major selling point, with its muscular lines and imposing stance. Priced at $15,299, the Suzuki Boulevard M109R is positioned at the higher end of the power cruiser market. It's an ideal choice for experienced riders who want a powerful, comfortable cruiser with head-turning looks. Number 4. Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114. The Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 is a performance-oriented cruiser that blends aggressive styling with impressive power. This bike is designed for riders who want a Harley with a more modern edge and enhanced performance capabilities. Powering the Fat Bob 114 is Harley's Milwaukee 8 114 engine, a 1,868 cc V-twin that delivers impressive performance. This air-oil-cooled power plant produces approximately 94 horsepower at 5,020 revolutions per minute and a massive 119 of torque at 3,000 revolutions per minute. The engine's character is defined by its strong low-end torque, providing effortless acceleration and a satisfying rumble. The 6-speed cruise drive transmission offers smooth shifts and a good spread of ratios. The belt final drive system ensures quiet operation and low maintenance. Despite its cruiser classification, the Fat Bob 114 handles surprisingly well. The inverted 43mm front forks and rear monoshock with hydraulic preload adjustment provide a good balance of comfort and sporty handling. The bike's forward foot controls and upright riding position offer good ergonomics for both cruising and more aggressive riding. Braking performance is strong, with dual 300mm discs up front and a single 292mm disc at the rear, all equipped with ABS as standard. This setup provides confident stopping power, which is essential given the bike's weight of 676 wet and performance potential. Fuel efficiency is moderate for its class, with an estimated 43 mpg. The 3.6-gallon fuel tank provides a decent range for urban riding and short tours. Key features include LED lighting all around, a digital instrumentation panel integrated into the handlebar clamp, and the option for Harley's Reflex Defensive Rider Systems (RDRS), which includes cornering ABS, traction control, and drag torque slip control. The Fat Bob 114's styling is a major selling point, with its muscular lines, fat tires, and distinctive rectangular LED headlight. It's a Harley that stands out from the traditional cruiser crowd. Priced at $19,999, the Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 is positioned as a premium offering in the performance cruiser segment. It's an excellent choice for riders who want Harley-Davidson heritage combined with modern performance and aggressive styling. Number 3. Suzuki SV 650. The Suzuki SV 650 is a versatile naked bike that has earned a reputation as an excellent all-rounder. While not strictly a cruiser, its V-twin engine and accessible performance make it a popular choice for riders seeking a more upright riding position. At the heart of the SV 650 is a 645 cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This power plant is known for its smooth and linear power delivery, producing approximately 75 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 47 of torque at 8,100 revolutions per minute. The engine's character is user-friendly, yet engaging, making it suitable for both new and experienced riders. The 6-speed transmission offers precise shifts and a good spread of ratios for various riding scenarios. The chain final drive is efficient and allows for easy gearing changes if desired. Handling is a strong point for the SV 650. The bike's trellis frame and relatively light weight of 437 wet contribute to its agile nature. The suspension setup, featuring 41 mm telescopic front forks and a link-type rear monoshock, provides a good balance of comfort and sporty handling. Both front and rear suspensions are preload adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune the setup. Braking duties are handled by dual 290mm front discs with 2 piston calipers and a single 240mm rear disc. ABS is standard, enhancing safety in various road conditions. The braking system provides good feel and stopping power, inspiring confidence in both urban and highway riding scenarios. Fuel efficiency is a strong point for the SV 650, with an estimated 68 mpg. Combined with the 3.8-gallon fuel tank, this gives the bike an impressive range for both commuting and longer rides. Key features include a slim, lightweight chassis, an easy start system, and a low RPM assist feature that helps prevent stalling during takeoff. The bike also comes with a multifunction LCD instrument panel that provides essential information at a glance. Priced at $7,399, the Suzuki SV 650 offers excellent value for money in the middleweight naked bike segment. It's an ideal choice for riders looking for a versatile, fun-to-ride motorcycle that can handle everything from daily commuting to weekend twisties. Number 2. Indian Scout Bobber. The Indian Scout Bobber is a stylish cruiser that combines classic American design with modern performance. This bike is designed for riders who appreciate minimalist aesthetics and a more engaged riding experience. Powering the Scout Bobber is a 1,133cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This power plant delivers impressive performance, producing approximately 100 horsepower at 8,100 revolutions per minute and 72 of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute. The engine's character is smooth yet punchy, providing strong acceleration across the rev range. The 6-speed transmission offers smooth shifts and well-spaced ratios, allowing for both relaxed cruising and spirited riding. The belt final drive system provides quiet operation and low maintenance. Despite its low-slung appearance, the Scout Bobber handles surprisingly well. The bike weighs in at 554 wet, which is relatively light for its class. The low seat height of 25.6 inches provides good stability and makes the bike accessible to a wide range of riders. The suspension setup consists of 41 mm front forks with 4.7 inches of travel and rear shocks with 2 inches of travel. While the ride is on the firmer side due to the shortened rear suspension, it provides good feedback and control. Braking performance is strong, with a single 298mm rotor and 2-piston caliper up front, and a 298mm rotor with a single piston caliper at the rear. ABS is available as an option, enhancing safety in challenging conditions. Fuel efficiency is decent for a performance cruiser, with an estimated 54 mpg. The 3.3-gallon fuel tank provides a moderate range suitable for urban riding and short tours. Key features include a blacked-out appearance, tracker handlebars, and a stripped-down bobber style. The bike also comes with an LED headlight and a USB charging port for added convenience. The Indian Scout Bobber is priced at $11,499, positioning it as a premium offering in the mid-size cruiser segment. It's an excellent choice for riders who want a stylish, performance-oriented cruiser with a more engaged riding experience. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Nightster. The Harley-Davidson Nightster represents a modern take on the classic Sportster formula. This bike combines Harley heritage with contemporary performance and technology, appealing to both traditionalists and new riders. At the heart of the Nightster is the Revolution Max 975T engine, a 975cc liquid-cooled V-twin. This modern power plant produces approximately 90 horsepower at 7,500 revolutions per minute and 70 of torque at 5,000 revolutions per minute. The engine's character is responsive and smooth, offering strong low-end torque with a willingness to rev. The 6-speed transmission provides smooth shifts and a good spread of ratios for various riding conditions. The belt final drive system ensures quiet operation and low maintenance. Handling is a strong point for the Nightster, thanks to its relatively light weight of 481 wet and modern chassis design. The bike features a 41mm Showa dual bending valve, front fork, and a rear monoshock with preload adjustment, offering a good balance of comfort and sporty handling. The low center of gravity, achieved by using the engine as a stressed member and placing the fuel tank under the seat, contributes to the bike's agile nature. Braking performance is strong, with a 320mm disc, an axial mount 4-piston caliper up front, and a 260mm disc with a floating single-piston caliper at the rear. ABS is standard, enhancing safety in various road conditions. Fuel efficiency is good for its class, with an estimated 52 mpg. The 3.1-gallon fuel tank, while small, provides a decent range for urban riding and short trips. Key features include all LED lighting, a 4-inch round TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, and selectable ride modes: road, sport, and rain. The bike also comes with Harley's rider safety enhancements, which include cornering ABS, traction control, and drag torque slip control. Priced at $13,499, the Harley-Davidson Nightster offers a modern, tech-savvy take on the classic American cruiser. It's an excellent choice for riders who appreciate Harley heritage but desire contemporary performance and features. That wraps up. Whether you're a cruiser enthusiast or looking for your first V-twin, there's something here for everyone. Remember to always ride safely and responsibly. This is MotorVibes, signing off. Until next time.